snakes. देखो, वर्ल्ड स्नेक डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 16th of July. It was first celebrated in 2006 by the Snake Bite Survivor Network. तो स्नेक डे इज नॉट एन इनिशिएटिव बाय यूएन, इट्स an initiative by Snake Bite Survivor Network. अब let's understand some snakes in India and scenario of snakes in India. देखो, अच्छा यहाँ ना एक आपके नोट्स में मिस्टेक है, वो 100 years नहीं है, 100 million years है. Snakes evolved somewhere around 100, between 100 and 200 million years ago. So they have slithered, they have been on earth for around 100, more than 100 years now. 100 million years, 100 million years, yes. आपके नोट्स में गलती से वो 100 लिखा हुआ है, while revising I saw that it was 100 million. सही किया आपने? They have lived for 100 million years and they have evolved from lizards. They were initially lizards के फिर they have lost their legs used to slow them down, that was one of the factor. There are other factors too. The evolutionary process में they found advantages of not having legs and they were able to become that. There are 3,400 species of snakes in the world, only one species of humans. There are 3,400 species of snakes in the world, but very few of them are venomous. Only 1,500 of them are venomous. In fact, ये नहीं, 3,400 वर्ल्ड में स्नेक्स है, इंडिया में कितने हैं? 350. Around 1/10 of all the snakes found in the world, 1/10 are found in India. 1/10 are found in India, right? उसमें से only 15% are venomous. So when you look at a snake, there are high chances that it is a non-venomous snake. But we get frightened very much because we are not aware of the difference. Now, Avtans is asking, sir, could you please clarify the difference between endemism and nativism? When I say that a species is native to this place, then it may be native to some other place also. That species may be native to some other place also. So when I say ki, this particular snake is native to India, that snake may have evolved together in Pakistan also, and thus it may be native to Pakistan also. But when I say this snake is endemic to India, then it is naturally only found in India. Okay, Avtans, did I answer your question, beta? I hope I have answered it. तो चलो snakes के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. Snakes have lived on earth for more than 100 million years. हमने देखा है humans as such came only 2 million years ago, है ना? Apes also came around 20 million years ago. Apes evolved around 20 million years ago. They have lived for 100 million years. World में 3,500 snakes are there, species are there. Around 1/10 of them are found in India. On only 15% of them are venomous. Let us start with the big four. Big four किसे बोलते हैं? जो 4 snakes है जो इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा डेथ्स के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. Most of the snakes are what? Non-venomous, but कुछ venomous है. Which are the snakes which create highest number of problems? The unknown is saying, sir, is it possible to keep in mind all or even most important old world and new world species? नहीं, वहां पे आपको ना थोड़ा सा स्पाइडर मंकी या तो कभी सुना होगा, नहीं तो आपको तुक्का ही मारना पड़ता. It's not possible that we will list down all the species of all the world, right? तभी तो cut off is not 190, 180, cut off is 100, because there will always be some things that we will not be able to answer. मतलब only 1% of the students are able to get 50% of the marks. This will indicate you कि सब कुछ जानने का जरूरत नहीं है, पढ़ो अच्छे से, अपना बेस्ट देके आओ. Okay, let's come to this. हाँ, तो ये वाला पार्ट हमें क्लियर हो गया. The big four. Big four में the biggest problem is Russell's viper. Russell's viper, this snake, it's native to Indian subcontinent and are mainly nocturnal. Its hiss is the loudest hiss of the snakes in the country. IUCN status का तो least concern हो गए ना, बाकियों को vulnerable बना रहा है ये. IUCN status is least concerned and is responsible for 40% of the snake bites, venomous snake bites in the country. Now, ये ना एक बड़ा problem पता है क्यों है? ये बड़ा problem इसलिए है क्योंकि people assume that it is a child of python and thus will be non-venomous. ऐसा है नहीं. दिखने में थोड़ा सा पाइथन के बच्चों जैसा लग रहा है ना, We understand python, अजगर है ना, अजगर is non venomous, उसके छोटा बच्चा would look something like this. So when people look at the snake, they think, oh, अजगर का बच्चा, खेलेंगे, or will pick it up and throw it. That becomes, तो 40% of snake bites, venomous snake bites, कहां से आते हैं? In India में 40% of the venomous snake bites occur because of Russell's viper. Big four में the biggest one is Russell's viper. Then we have common crate. That's a very common snake in India. It's also nocturnal snake, and thus most of the human encounter happen at night. Its IUCN status is not evaluated, जरूरत नहीं पड़ी है, and they are responsible for around 18% of the snake bites in the country. ये number important नहीं है, ये snake important है. अब ना देखो, we have four different, big four में we'll talk about 4 snakes, but this one is special. ये ना बहुत कमीना snake है. Why? Let's understand. When you talk about cobra, Indian cobra, the next snake we'll talk about. Indian cobra आएगा, आपको काटेगा, ठीक है. Suppose 2-3 of you are there, it will bite the second person, it will bite the third person. But first, second में ना, it has given all its venom. By third, fourth, it is not left with a lot of venom. So in third, fourth bite, it will not have impact. तो 10 लोग सो रहे हो, 10 को काट गया, सब नहीं मरने वाले, 1, 2, 3. That's it. This is a smart one. This is like, सब में थोड़ा थोड़ा डालूंगा, सब मरेंगे. I am not getting angry and putting all my venom in one person. तेरे में उतना ही डालूंगा जितने में तो मरेगा. तो if 10 people are sleeping, it feels like 10 को मारना है. That's common crate. Nocturnal, mostly it affects people at night. Mostly it affects people at night. You will encounter it at night. And देखो, snake से बच के रहो. मतलब identify. We are teaching you. एक तो PYQs पे आप देखोगे snakes पे सवाल आए हैं. And snakes in biodiversity books are completely absent. In most of the biodiversity books, they are not there. अभी हम PYQs करेंगे. We'll see PYQs में snakes है. दूसरा, अपनी जान बचाना है ना. रसेल्स वाइपर को अजगर का बच्चा नहीं समझना है. रसेल्स वाइपर इज रसेल्स वाइपर. venomous. Then common crate. Common crate has this white pattern in between. इससे you can identify that. Then we have our very famous Indian cobra, Naja. Civil Services Revision. Please teach in English 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even if you had written it one time, I would have taught it in English only. Plus, it is the jokes that I'm saying in Hindi. And the things which have to be joked around. Let's come back. Indian cobra. Indian cobra or spectacled cobra. Can you see this? वो specs जैसे, so they are called spectacled cobra or binocellate cobra or Asian cobra. It's found in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Its conservation status, it's not a threatened species and is not listed in IUCN Red List. Why? Again, it will make humans threatened. It's found throughout the country. If you are from Punjab, there also you must have seen this. If you are from Tamil Nadu, there also you must have seen this species. It's very well distributed. In every village you will be able to find them, and is venomous, is one of the big fours. Recently we had done its genome sequencing. Now what is the advantage of genome sequencing? Civil Services Division, please stop posting these messages, else I'll have to remove you. I've understood that I have to speak in English. I'll speak in English. Okay, but do not keep spamming, so that I should be able to see chats of other students also. No, I should not miss the messages. Please don't do this. So Naja or the Indian cobra, its genome sequencing was done recently. We have covered the science and tech में genome sequencing. Now, if we have done genome sequencing, we understand what are the different genes and what are the different proteins. So we can understand its venom properly, and we can also, using venom, we can make anti-venom. So in laboratory, we'll be able to make this venom, and through that we'll be able to make anti-venoms. Why it is needed? Because it's responsible for a lot of deaths, right? So genome sequencing significance, we are getting it. Then finally we have Indian saw-scaled viper. There is Russell's viper, and there is big four. Mein we have another viper, saw-scaled viper. Can you look at its scale? Saw-scaled. Why it will be called saw-scaled viper? Do we understand this? I'm not touching it. It's a venomous viper found in West Asia, Central Asia, and South Asia. It is the smallest member of the big four snake that are responsible for causing the most snake bites in the country and most deaths in the country. Do we understand this? Pakka? Clear? So the big four. We should know the big four. Big four, one for our preparation, other for our life, for our protection. We should understand. We should be able to. This is Russell's viper. This is not Asgar ka bachcha. Or what is Asgar called in English? Python. You know, this is common crate. Stay away from it. It can not leave anyone. That's also Naja. Cobra we understand. Indian cobra we understand. Indian cobra is also not threatened. And this is anyways threatening. You know, we would stay away from it. I don't even want to touch it. King's cobra. Oh, king cobra. Let's talk about king cobra a bit. King cobra pe twice or thrice question has been asked in preliminary examination. We'll do those king cobra questions. But let's understand this. It is one of the most venomous snake and is the longest of all venomous snakes. Generally, venomous snakes are not very long. Generally, not very long in the sense, longest snake क्या बोलोगे? Python को बोलोगे? Are they venomous? Heaviest snake is anaconda. Are they venomous? No. तो generally, जो बहुत लंबे snake होंगे ना, वो इतने venomous नहीं होते. But this is the longest venomous snake. It is the longest venomous snake. Ramesh is asking, sir, what is the science behind Vishkanya? Who is Vishkanya? Ramesh? Beta, who is Vishkanya? I don't know. Why are you laughing? You understand who is Vishkanya? Who is it? It's a girl who's not snake. Beta, that's hypothetical. That's hypothetical. Ignore it. There's nothing like Vishkanya. That's for Nagaraj and Super Commando Dhruv comics ke liye. Let's come back. King Cobra. Look at the name of King. King Cobra is important because it is the most popular snake for UPSC. For us, it's important for that reason. It has been asked multiple times. Will have snakes in my dream now, just like my ex. Other one is saying my ex was Vishkanya, sir. That's so wrong. Let's come back. Wait. So for us, Cobra is. पढ़ो यार. तो मजे लेने की लग जाती है. मेरा इंडिया बांग्लादेश का मैच छूट रहा है. रोहित शर्मा बड़े दिनों बाद फॉर्म में, मुझे खेलने देखना है उसे. मतलब तुम मैच के बीच में ये कर रहे हो, तुम्हें कैसे पता? फोन दो अपना इधर, फोन दो इधर. तुम्हें कैसे पता रोहित शर्मा खेल रहा है? इससे पूछा. तुम दोनों अपना फोन जमा करो, मैं पढ़ा रहा हूं, तुम लोग मैच देख रहे हो. एंटी नेशनल कैसे इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हो? Let's come back. So I was saying King Cobra is important for multiple reasons. For us, the most important reason is UPSC has asked question on it highest number of time. Second reason is when we say Cobra, our Cobra, Indian Cobra is not threatened. It's very well distributed, but this is threatened too. This is one of the vulnerable species. Third reason it is important is that recently King Cobra has been classified into 4 different species. Earlier it was considered a single species. Now we have separated them into 4 different species. So it was in news also in October. It was in news also. तो current affairs में भी है most favorite snake for UPSC. So has been asked again and again in the examination. We'll come to that. First, let us look at its. So initially, when it was not divided into 4 different species, what was it called? Ophiophagus hana. Ab Ophiophagus, this name, Ophis, O-P-H-I-S, is referring to snake. Phagus is to eat. So this snake is a snake eater. Ophiophagus का मतलब ही वो हुआ ना. This snake is a snake eater. It will eat other snakes. It will eat other snakes. इनके डाइट में एक important part क्या होगा? Other snakes. Ophiophagus का meaning ही वो होगा. Now, it's one of the most venomous snake. We know that it is the longest what? Longest venomous snake. Now, habitation. It is found in the forest and plains in India, southern China, Southeast Asia. तो very well distributed. India में Central India में भी है, South India में भी है, Western Ghats में भी है, Southeast Asia में भी है, Southern China में भी है. It's distributed. They're comfortable in variety of habitats and they live in forests. They live in bamboo thickets. They live in mangrove swamps, high altitude grasslands. Food. They are carnivores and eat other and snakes, lizards, eggs, and small mammals too. There are some special features which UPSC has shown a lot of interest in. One is they are the only snakes in the world that build nest for their eggs. They will build nest, they will lay eggs there, and they will guard them very vigorously. Don't you dare to go near them. They'll guard them like anything till the time the hatchlings emerge. Then it is best known as the species of choice for snake charmer. सपेरे होते थे वो किंग कोबरा या स्पेक्टिकल कोबरा को ही लेके आ रहे होते थे. But they can though they can hear, they're actually deaf to ambient noises, sensing ground vibration instead. तो जो बीन बज रही है ना, एक ना इंडिया में एक ऐसा मिथ होता है कि सपेरा आएगा, बीन बजाएगा और सांप कब्जे, snake will be in its control. Snake cannot hear the voice of the bean. It cannot. So that's a con thing. So when we had this movie Nagin, where Amrish Puri was like, and Nagin, Shri Devi was like dancing, "Main teri dushman, dushman tu mera." That's a Hindi song. I cannot sing it in English. So it's not possible because the bean is not audible to the snake. Okay. Snake charming is also a sad con in which an exhausted cobra is put on defensive yet conditioned not to strike the flutist. Snake charming और वो सपेरे वाला चीज is not like catching a snake is a skill, an important skill, and saperas knew this, but they are not making the snake dance because they cannot hear the flute's ka voice. They basically follow the flute. When so you will not see them they ever play like this. They'll play and the snake would also because snake is looking at it. Snake is looking at it. In the same way, making snake drink milk is also not possible. Now snakes are sometimes shown to drink milk, but understand two things. Snakes are not mammals. If they are not mammals, they don't have mammary glands. If they don't have mammary glands, they have not evolved to drink milk, and thus they do not have enzymes in their body which can digest milk. If you feed them a lot of milk, they can actually die. So snakes don't drink milk. Now you will say, "Sir, nahi, but sapera comes and it shows that snake is drinking milk." What it does is, it gets milk in a very diluted form, which has mostly water in it, and the snake is kept thirsty for a long time. So in that case, the sapera can actually go and drink that milk which is mostly water. But most probably in Nag Panchami, when our parents are keeping a bowl of milk for snake, it is being drunk by some mammal. Cat most probably. It is being consumed by some cat because snake, एक तो expecting कि snake आपके घर में घुस के या कहीं घुस के वो is not there. दूसरा, snake is not a milk drinker. Snake is not a mammal. Who are milk drinkers? Mammals. Naturally, we have mammary glands. तो उससे जो प्रोटीन, उससे जो मिल्क प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है उसका प्रोटीन डाइजेस्ट करने का कैपेबिलिटी हम में. समझ में आए? ये कुछ बेसिक चीजें हैं. लाइक साइंस और ट्रेडिशन को डिफरेंशिएट करना जरूरी है, राइट। नाउ प्रोटेक्शन, तो IUCN में इट इज वल्नरेबल एंड इट्स डिफरेंट फ्रॉम इंडियन कोबरा. Indian cobra is Naja naja, which is not a threatened species. This one is a threatened species. Okay, king cobra and Indian cobra ko we have to differentiate. Indian cobra was what? Indian cobra was that spectacled cobra, Naja naja, not Ophiphagus. Ophiphagus Hannah was king cobra, but now king cobra has been divided into 4 different species. Let us look at that. October 2024 May, this was another thing that was in news. Let us understand that. So a new paper by scientists has reclassified it into 4 distinct species. What are those 4 distinct species? एक तो है Ophiopagus kalinga. Abhi we had only one species, Ophiopagus Hannah. We have this Ophiopagus kalinga. Where is it found? Western Ghats. It is found in Western Ghats and is also known as Western Ghats king cobra. Scientific name is Ophiopagus kalinga. So an endemic Western Ghat lineage found in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Goa and adjacent border of Maharashtra state also. Ophiopagus kalinga or Western Ghat king cobra. Then the Ophiopagus Hannah, that name has also been kept for northern king cobra, which is very well distributed. You will see them in eastern Pakistan. Eastern Pakistan मतलब इंडिया वाले साइड, इंडिया को जो टच कर रहा होगा, तो you will see them in eastern Pakistan, northern India, Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet, south to the Godavari Mahanadi Delta. Western Ghats नहीं, Western Ghats में we have Kalinga, है ना. This king cobra or this Ophiopagus Hannah northern king cobra is found in the delta region of Godavari Mahanadi, eastern coast of China, Hong Kong, Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, very well distributed. So this इसको नाम अभी भी its name has been kept as Ophiopagus Hannah. Then we have a Malaysian lineage distributed in the Malay Peninsula and the Great Sunda Island as well as part of Philippines. It's called Sunda king cobra. And finally we have a isolated island lineage on the Luzon Island. It is called Luzon king cobra. तो king cobra which so far जो UPSC का favorite snake रहा है has now been divided into 4 different species. Has now been separated into 4 different species. It is king cobra which is called Ophiphagus. Genus का नाम ही Ophiphagus है because it's a Ophis is snake, Phagus is eating, so it's a snake eating cobra. Okay. Now which snake will it eat? Indian rat snake. Indian rat snake is non-venomous. It's very important for farmers as it keeps on eating rats. That's why it is called Indian rat snake. In northern India, it is called Dhaman. Dhaman is a very common name. In different states, like in Haryana, Rajasthan, they're called Dhaman. In Maharashtra also, they're called Dhaman. What is the rat snake called in your states, like other states? In Andhra Pradesh, what is it called, Pradeep? Name it. Actually, you don't know. What is it? What? What? Huh? We want to laugh. No, come on. It's a boring class full of snakes. No, class full of, not class full of, class full of snakes. Everyone is laughing, but just I'm not laughing. What is it, Anshuman? Avada. अच्छा चलो मत बताओ, छोड़ो. Any other name other than Dhaman? Any local names? Any? गेहूमन नहीं, ये नहीं होता ना, वो तो कोबरा को बोलते भाई, रसल स्वाइपर को बोलते. हाँ, तुम मरवाओगे. गेहूमन सांप खतरनाक वाला होता है, उसे बच के रहना होता है. कुछ तुम फर्जी आदमी, ये वही है जिसकी वजह से मरते हैं लोग, है ना. हाँ, this one I can touch. It will bite you, but it's not venomous. Rat snake, it's called Dhaman. They are famous for their crawling speed and large size. They can become very lengthy and they'll move very fast. And people who are not aware of them, people who do not understand them, they'll be frightened. They say, when I used to go to my grandparents' place and barsat ke time na, many of them will come out. And my grandparents or my mama ji or my mom would understand it's that snake. I will be like, how can you not be frightened when the snake is just going through the garden behind the house. It's in that garden, and they will not be worried at all. Later, I realized, okay, these are the friendly ones. But ऐसे दिखने वाले non-friendly भी होते हैं. You have to be like very precise to understand which snake is what to problematic. In Bihar also it's called Dhaman. My village kids catches it and plays with it. Kal in someone's village lion was coming. What is going on? Dhaman in Odisha also? Okay, okay. Let's come back. So, its favorite meal of King Cobra. King Cobra was called Ophiophagus, right? It's that. Let's come to pythons now. This is reticulated python. It is the longest snake in the world. You will say, sir, what about anaconda? Anaconda तो बहुत बड़ा होता है. Now, the longest, so 6.25 meters is around 20 feet. Around 20 feet. It reaches that length. The longest reticulated python ever recorded was 10 meters. 1 meter is 3 feet plus, right? So, around 30 feet. That's how long it could be get. It's a non-venomous snake. IUCN में its least concern. Distribution native to South and Southeast Asia. India में भी मिलता है, right? Then Indian rock python. It is one of the heaviest and longest snake found in India. Despite being common in most part of the country, it is difficult to see them in the wild as they are nocturnal and arboreal snakes. They will, you can see, यहाँ पे भी हमने उसे पेड़ पे दिखाया, arboreal and they are nocturnal. Indian rock python. तो इनके ही बच्चे क्या मान लिए जाते हैं कई बार? Russell's viper. Whereas Russell's viper is not that. In my state, it is called घोड़ा पछड़. घोड़ा पछाड़ बोलते हैं. अभी तुमने गेहूमन और तुम मर मुरा जाओगे किसी दिन, तुम रसेल्स वाइपर के साथ खेलोगे और वो घोड़ा पछाड़ इज धामन रैट स्नेक. ओके, घोड़ा पछाड़ मतलब नाम में इट कैन डिफीट घोड़ा पछाड़ फॉर दैट रीजन. ओके, लेट्स कम बैक. देयर आर सम अदर वल्नरेबल स्नेक. इनके नाम आपको नाम पता होने चाहिए. एक बर्मीज रॉक पाइथन है. बर्मीज रॉक पाइथन वैसे वल्नरेबल है इंडिया में मिलता है, म्यांमार में मिलता है, बट इन यूएस इट हैज बिकम इन्वेजिव स्पीसीज. In US it is. I would have played this video here, but ये वीडियो इस वीडियो में प्ले हो जाएगा ना तो इस पे कॉपीराइट आ जाएगा. तो you go home and watch this video. तो US में क्या हुआ है? US में फ्लोरिडा में there are some protected areas, protected wetland type of areas are there. तो they were accidentally introduced there. Accidentally introduced मतलब they were kept as pets etc. during flood and other things, during typhoon or during typhoon को वहाँ पे क्या बोलेंगे US में? Hurricane. During hurricane flood wali situation mein it got released into environment. Now when it reached into environment there was no large predator for it, so they multiplied. One of this python can give 60, 70, 100 eggs. The numbers increased so much that छोटे mammals, birds, all in those wetlands have almost been completely lost. कोई 90% reduce हो गया, कोई 95% reduce हो गया. तो a protected species here, a threatened species here has become a vulnerable species there. So go home and watch this video. I'm not playing it here because ये YouTube पे चल रहा है, तो YouTube पे ना copyright strike आ जाता है, which unnecessarily will create problems. So else I would have played this video in the class. Go home and do watch this video. Then there are some other snakes. बस ना नाम जान के रखो. अंडमान क्रेट. तो ये क्रेट जैसे इंडियन क्रेट जैसा ही लग रहा है, कॉमन क्रेट जैसा लग रहा है. अंडमान क्रेट और वॉलनट कुकरी स्नेक. These are some other snakes that you should know. जैसे recently एक और snake discover हुआ था अक्टूबर 2024 में in western Himalayas. It is called Anguiculus DiCaprio. DiCaprio. लियोनार्डो डिकैप्रियो है वो भाई एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन क्लाइमेट चेंज से लड़ने के लिए बहुत सारे काम कर रहे हैं. तो उनको प्रेज करते हुए when this new snake was discovered and we had to name it, what did we name it? पहला तो छोड़ो, एंग्यूकुलस तो छोड़ो, वो तो जीनस का नाम है, डिकैप्रियोई. तो when you get this name in exam, डिकैप्रियोई, when you get this name डिकैप्रियोई, you should be able to understand क्या है ये स्नेक है. आप लोग चाहे रोज को कितना भी स्नेक बोल लो, नहीं समझ में आया. टाइटैनिक ऊपर ही रह गई, उसको गिरने दे दिया ना, पर असली स्नेक तो डिकैप्रियो ही है. उनके नाम पे रखा गया स्नेक का नाम. Right now, what is this snake? पहले समझते हैं. Anguillus DiCaprio is a member of Colubridae, the largest family of snake on the planet, with 304 genus and 1938 species. How many species of snake did we speak about? 3500. Most of it is what? This family, Anguillus family, or Colubridae family. They account for almost 2/3 of all living snakes. Of all the living snakes, 2/3 is what? This family. They are Latin for small snake, as they are of small size. This name is DiCaprio Himalayan snake. Common name is DiCaprio Himalayan snake or Anguillus DiCaprio. Why named after DiCaprio? Because of his environmental work. कहाँ पे मिला है ये? In the Western Himalayas. Western Himalayas मतलब चंबा, कुल्लू, शिमला, in Himachal Pradesh, Nainital in Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand, it's also found in Chitwan National Park of Nepal. तो new snake. तो आपको basically DiCaprio ही नाम आता है. तो you should understand Leonardo DiCaprio के नाम पे एक recently snake has been named. It is this one. Okay, let's do the PYQs. Let's do the PYQs associated with snakes. King cobra is the only snake that makes its own nest. Why does it make its own nest? Viviparous क्या होता है? जो लाइव बच्चा पैदा करते हैं. Oviparous है who lay eggs. It is an oviparous snake and lays its eggs in the nest and guard the nest until they are hatched. True or false? ये देखो मेरा मैच भी खराब कर रहा है. बोल रहा रोहित शर्मा आउट, यू कैन टीच मोर नाउ. एक ने अपना नाम ही रख लिया कोबरा किंग. अबे तो वल्नरेबल है, तुझे पता है? ऐसी बुरी बुरी खबर देगा तो लोग मार भी देंगे. Let's come back. It's an oviparous snake and lays. So we understand this answer. Okay. For which one of the following snakes the diet mainly comprises of other snakes? कोबरा, किंग कोबरा फेवरेट स्पीसीज है ना, है ना. और क्या स्नेक्स पे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं? Should we be preparing for it? Yes. Quite cool. It's king cobra. No, my spelling mistake. I'm sorry. It's king cobra. It's king cobra. Okay. In the context of organic evolution, the loss of limbs in the snake is explained by the phenomena of why did snakes lose limb? उनके पैर क्यों चले गए? नेचुरल सिलेक्शन में क्या होता है ना, बिना पैर के वालों को एडवांटेज होता. इट इज यूज एंड डिसयूज ऑफ ऑर्गन्स. दैट ऑर्गन मे नॉट हैव बीन यूजेबल एंड जैसे वी आर लूजिंग अपेंडिक्स धीरे धीरे बिकॉज, और ह्यूमंस आर लूजिंग हेयर्स. यू विल सी देयर इज अ पैटर्न ऑफ लूजिंग हेयर्स. वो बिकॉज दीज आर नॉट बीइंग यूज्ड. हमारी बॉडी पे हेयर कम हो गए ओवर द इयर्स. थिंक ऑफ वी इवॉल्व्ड फ्रॉम एप्स, राइट. तो यूज एंड disuse of organs also play a role in वो किस बॉडी पार्ट का यूज कर रहे हैं, that will be surviving more. A body part which has no significance, that will be getting lost. The only snake that builds nest is the only natural selection is nature में some feature is giving you advantage, that will be getting selected. Now some feature is not giving you any advantage, that's not necessarily getting rejected, right? Let's come here. The only snake that build nest is, सारे snake वाले question king cobra के ही हैं, but we cannot just say कि बस snakes में king cobra ही पढ़ेंगे. That is why we have studied it more elaborately. But can you understand the प्यार of UPSC is with king cobra? It doesn't love big four, पर सबसे खतरनाक कौन है? Big four. They should fall in love with them also. Though king cobra is more venomous, but king cobra itself is vulnerable, whereas our big fours are, they can make them vulnerable, right? Okay.